I'm going to be unboxing this M18 fuel hatchet here. This is the model 300420, and it's an 8-inch pruning saw. And I'm going to be unboxing it, and then we'll also be testing it to see how it works. I don't know what it says. It says this guy here will cut demanding material, so we'll check and see how it does. And so I'll go ahead and start unboxing. This is tool only. Got instructions, owner's manual, and the bar is coming out first. Got these little papers here. And we have the tool. So this M18 hatchet here. Go ahead and pull it out of the cardboard. And you can see on this side, it's got where we add the oil, and make sure you fill it with bar oil before you use it. And then the battery will lock on the back side, and we have our little 8-inch bar. So this is our unboxing. After you put your bar oil in and have this filled up, then you make sure first time you cycle it or every time before you cut, you run it for 30 seconds to get the chain all lubed up. Remove your cover once it's ready to use, and then it's just a matter, this is like your safety switch. You can pull the trigger, nothing's going to happen until you push this down. Once you push this down, again, I let off. So that's how you turn it on and off. Pretty simple. And another thing I forgot to mention is this is your bar tool for working on your bar. And that bar tool, you just use it on the other side, right there. You can see how to adjust it, tighten it. Look in your instructions for more information. And it even gives you a little illustration of the best way to tighten or to the chain direction. Again, there's that tool. Okay, I have a fruit tree I can't get my lawnmower under, so we'll just see how fast I can get this one pruned up. I'm going to take off all those big bottom branches. And you can see they're pretty good size. That's going to give that little hacksaw a workout. That's still 5.0 battery still on there. We'll see how it holds up. right through. Look at that. No time. Now we can see we have a field right next to this, so this will make it a little bit easier as well. But you can see it made quick work of this little tree, and it had a pretty full cut coming through here, and it didn't slow down one bit. It went right through it. So I'm very, very pleased with the little hatchet. It made this a pretty easy job. It wasn't like holding a big heavy chainsaw. Oh, and another thing, I forgot to check the battery. Let's see how the battery's doing. And it has 3 bars. I don't know if you can see it in the lighting here, but it took out all this off of this tree, that one, and that one, and only went through 1 bar on the 5.0 battery. And another reason I got this is we got these just bushes, junk trees, whatever you call it. It's a mulberry tree, but we get a lot of these growing around the property here on the farm. And instead of grabbing pruners every time I want to cut these away, I thought I'd check out this little MILWAUKEE hatchet and see how good of a job it does of getting these out of the way. Well, as you can see, cutting them down doesn't take much time. It's the cleanup now that's going to take more time. So this has been very useful. So if you have a lot of small jobs and you don't want a big chainsaw, this MILWAUKEE Fuel little hatchet is a pretty nice little tool to have.